The Wilson's bird of paradise, found in Indonesia, has a unique courtship display. The male bird turns into a living kaleidoscope, transforming its feathers into a mesmerizing array of colors and patterns to impress the female. The Andean cock of the rock, native to the cloud forests of South America, boasts an extraordinary appearance. The male's vibrant orange plumage and distinctively shaped crest make it one of the most eye-catching birds in the world. The resplendent quetzal, found in the cloud forests of Central America, was considered sacred by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. Its striking emerald green feathers were highly prized, and only the highest-ranking individuals were permitted to wear them.